I still hear my voice. It's calling in my head. But if I had only one choice, I'd leave it left unsaid. Senses get so blurry, and I try to teach you, but my words come out so muddy. And if there's one thing that I should